Welcome to my lovely beachside resort. Shit. Winter. We're here. This genuinely happens. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I hope you're good. Now, let me make sure I'm good. I'm back in my spare bedroom, educating people on how not to get conned by Forex traders. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and press that bell button. It means a lot. I trade cryptocurrencies. I dabble a little bit into Forex, a little bit, not massively. I want to explain what it is. So on the screen, boom, Forex chart. Forex is foreign exchange. It's trading. You buying into cryptocurrencies is different. You buying into stocks is different. You buying into a currency for trading purposes only. Whether that goes up, the US dollar, the pound, the yen, you know, the Canadian dollar, the Australian dollar, all these, they go up and down every single day. In terms of an open market, the market's open Monday to Friday, and when you are buying your currency to go on holidays, you know, your good old spendies, that governs the price. So I look at a few, and I got obviously the US dollar yen, the pound US dollar versus the pound, not very good. You know, these are tradable assets and currencies. And yeah, there's a lot of people scamming. So let's talk about the scamming. Why? I'm in cryptocurrency mainly. So obviously if you are in this and you're like, I'm a cryptocurrency follower, I will be doing a lot of Forex as well, because I believe this industry is awesome and also annoying. Same as cryptocurrency. It's freaking amazing, but you've got them rotten apples that you want to kick the living shit out of, because there's always people that are out to get a quick buck, to scam people with fake signals, with fake brokers, with fake trading robots to take your money. And that's mainly cryptocurrency and also Forex. But Forex is another level. It's another level because it's a bigger industry, it's older industry. Yes, it's got regulation now. However, $5 trillion industry at the minute from the last count. Pretty big compared to cryptocurrency. So, if you are new to the channel, yes, welcome. I try to expose a few little things and I'm perfectly honest with you. Let's go to Instagram, okay? Why? If you start putting in certain things on Instagram, you're going to start seeing certain things and they are fucking irritating, because a lot of people that you see, yes, good educational stuff, happy days, but you see a lot of things where there's no proof. There's no transparency in a lot of it. There is some good accounts, do not get me wrong. Now, the Forex market is not a scam. It's a perfectly legit market, get that straight. However, you get people that are good, who are honest and have genuine reviews and genuine proof of them actually trading and doing certain services and live courses and all that stuff. Yes, usually at a premium price, but they are genuine people. I'm looking at the people who are fake. The people that pretend they're getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning to check the markets, to do all this malarkey. But in fact, what they're actually doing is selling you down the rabbit hole of Forex brokers for a very nice referral fee. They could get paid up to $500 per sign up, and then a percentage of whatever you lose throughout. Now, cryptocurrency comes under a lot of that as well. I see certain people go, oh, you're referring people into an exchange. But the difference with me is I've got an education platform which teaches people how to use it at an affordable price. These people are literally people on the beach with a laptop, just got some fake charts up there, screenshots, fake demo accounts, and they are just living a lifestyle to get you into something. So, I've got 3 hashtags, they're 3 obvious ones. I'm going to show you them. Then I'm going to show you YouTube of what's on YouTube, and you can probably guess what my video title would be from what I've been watching today, this morning. And I'm going to go through some things on how to spot scams. So, first thing you need to look at is look at these. Now, this person, no idea who it is. The fact that this person is on the top post page of Forex Trader of 4 million is quite alarming that there's no real engagement on this. So this is the sort of thing that people genuinely look for, Forex trader. And it kind of worries me that, you know, what I'm looking at, you see certain things now, you see obviously screenshots, you see stuff like this, 46,000, yippee, who gives a shit. Obviously you get a lot of Bitcoin in here too. Yes, it's a bit of a dodgy one too. So this one isn't too bad, but what I hate is to see stuff like this. These random people, who's this person? Binary signal, Italy, binary, who gives a flying donkey? No one does. So these are the sort of things that you will get in your inbox. You'll get people like this in your inbox literally going, oh, you can make all this money. It's obviously a fake image. It's all fake money. Remember the prop cash. Now, the second hashtag is MetaTrader5. Random one, it's a small one, more active. And you see a lot of proof of people's work here. Now, one thing that I will say is if you see people with FX on their name, usually it's a telltale sign they're in the Forex market. However, not everyone is a scam in that sense. But when you see it, you're like, okay, they're after something. They're looking to sell. So all you see is a lot of people. They obviously post these. Now, you need to do your research. You need to do a lot of verification and validation of who these people are. If you've got people, right, with these accounts on social media and they're in your inbox asking you to sign up with them, more often than not, they're after the referral fee, not that. Because if I was making 22,000, you know, in a day or in a week, whatever, however long time span that is in, would you be looking for people's referrals? No. So be mindful of that, you know, money market itself. And that's something that, like, I see it all the time. It does. And you see all these posts and that's probably the same person. Now, I'm not picking on the same person, just in this hashtag quite a lot. But what I will say is, when you validate and verify these sort of things, you've got to look at reviews. You've got to look at what other people are saying in the comments. Is there fake following? Is there fake engagement? Is there just complete utter nonsense in there? You know, the comment feed, essentially. But you've got to look out for certain things that look really dodgy. And these are the people that will come into your inbox and will try and sell you something that doesn't really exist. Now, I don't know who this person is. Again, profits last week on a management account. Whoop-de-doo. You know, you've got to look at all these hashtags, and yeah, it's a very slippery slope if you fall down it and you get wrong advice and you are actually trying to trade. Now, who's this person? CEO of Bitcoin, trading expert, definitely a scammer. CEO of Bitcoin, go fuck yourself. Wow. Anyways, the last one is Forex lifestyle. This is the one that I want to focus on a little bit because this is the one that really gets people. This is the one that's like the bug in the catch, the jam in the jar, essentially. It's the one where, oh, I want this. I want a Porsche. I want a tattoo. I want money. You know, everyone's like that. And it's just the way the world goes. Everyone wants to get paid more. Everyone wants to make more money. It's the same for cryptocurrency. It's the same for property investing. It's the same for freaking everything in the world, the stock market. You need to know what you're doing. Now, what I will say is this. If you can trade cryptocurrency, you can trade Forex. It is no real difference in terms of what you're looking for. Technical analysis, fundamental analysis, movements, good risk management, and get this, good risk sizes. Simple as that. But what I seem to find is that people can't do both, and I don't understand why. I just don't understand it. It moves in different ways, but if you can handle the volatility of a cryptocurrency market, you could probably handle the moves in the Forex market with higher leverage. Anyways, one thing is certain though. Wow. Why would you? Official... They're all fake. You can see the fake. Now, that's obvious. Like, what the fuck is that? But yeah, when I say this, please don't hurt me. But there is some genuine Forex traders out there that are really good. And they're transparent. They show you their real accounts. They do live overviews and stuff like that. There's some genuine good people out there who do live courses. You know, they're good. However, what I will say is the people on these social media sites... be very careful. Now look at YouTube. If you put in lifestyle Forex, a day in the life of a Forex trader, who gives a shite? Now, yeah, but this is all a selling tactic to get you in as a free funnel. It's simple, right? Now, the one thing that I do in my company when I trade and, you know, teach people cryptocurrency is I record everything I do. It's all on a spreadsheet. It's all literally, you can see everything in terms of what my balance sheet is and all that kind of malarkey in my premium. Because I don't want to expose people who are new to certain things that I'm doing. Like, yeah, I'll show results of what I've did, but I wouldn't just go and show it live to the world. Oh, by the way, let's do this. But when you think about it, people don't understand what I'm seeing, what I'm looking at, and what my risk sizes are, and they will more likely get completely and utterly wrecked. However, when you do that, it's all good. Like, if you can prove that you've made the money and you've got a good lifestyle, go for it. I don't care. When you do not have that and you're just after referrals and you're trying to get people to take trades that are not really valid, that's where it's morally wrong. It's like the entrepreneur formula, what Mike Winnett's been saying on his YouTube channel. Check that video out, by the way, it's amazing. Fake scarcity. Is it really? All these fake people in audiences, the same speeches, it's all a sales tactic. It's the same with Forex, same with cryptocurrency, same with property, and also stock market lending and stuff like that, and brokers. If you're making money, it looks good. People want that. The problem is, can you back it up? Can you actually trade? Can you actually show your live account? Can you actually realistically record your trades for people to actually see what you're doing? If you can't do that, then there's a problem, and that's what I do in my premium, because it's a great way to show people. It's a learning curve, and more importantly, it's transparent. So when you look at YouTube, shite everywhere. It's all lifestyle videos. Now, some of these are real, some of these are completely fake. Like, genuinely, like, what on earth? Like, you know, some people, yeah, it's just mental. Anyways, how to spot a scam? This is the main thing. Now, what I said before, the spot Forex market trades over 5 trillion a day. It's freaking massive. Currency options and futures contracts, volume of money floating around in an unregulated spot market with trades. There's all kinds of stuff here. All kinds of bump here. But you've got the old scams. The old Forex scam was based on computer manipulation of bid and asks. Cool. Now, what you've got now is obviously the signal seller. The one that goes, oh, you can copy my signals. They don't actually freaking trade. They're just getting signals from other people. That's the problem. You can find that these people are subscribed to a lot of signal services, but they'll then pick the best ones and they'll just put it on their account. They get a submission fee or whatever, a subscription fee even, and essentially just giving you trades. And they're not doing any trading themselves. They're just like getting the money off you, the recurring income, and also the broker income of every time you make a withdrawal or a deposit, opening a new account, and also a fee of whatever the account's doing. So, clever. Also a scam, because it's dodgy. Robot scamming as well is the one at the minute that's really, really hot, because people are like making these algorithm bots. You pay a massive amount of money to get involved in these bots. You sync it all up. They don't always work. A lot of them are also disguised as Ponzi schemes in terms of the likes of USI Tech, etc. Oh, it's a Forex trading algorithm bot. That's 1,000,000% right all the time. It's a lot of bollocks. It's just basically funding off people actually buying stuff. Typical Ponzi scheme as well. But you can get these that are real. Like, you can get genuine bots that are real because they're made by you. I'm currently building a trading alert script at the minute, which is kind of an open source code taken from like various different trading scripts, put into one, which will allow you to then learn and also be alerted when shit happens. That's the kind of stuff I'm into, where you've got to do some technical analysis, you've got to do stuff. I do not believe in trading passive income. I don't believe in it, because I'm yet to see a bot that is genuinely profitable over time of longer than a couple of years. You've got to be able to physically do it yourself to then learn, see the market. The market's not going to react in certain ways. If that bot goes wrong and it wipes your whole account, well, you've lost it all. You still need humans in this industry, I believe. Anyways, certainly for cryptocurrency. Other factors to consider: traditional many trading systems are being costly. 5,000, fucking hell. So yeah, proper trading systems. People offering these platforms and all kinds of malarkey, very, very expensive, and more often than not just widgets that have been decorated all nice and neat and tidy. Bit weird. Warning signs, obviously. You've got obviously the lifestyle, and you know, if you can't withdraw your money and stuff like that. So these are just some of the basics that you should really know about, especially if you're in the cryptocurrency space. That these are the sort of red flags to look out for. But it also happens in this industry. Now, there's absolutely nothing wrong with this industry in terms of using it. Get a decent broker. You know, you can trade on Prime XBT if you follow the link below. That essentially is in BTC, but you can start with literally $10, and that's a thing. You got to start off small. You got to learn, and you got to find someone who can either teach you, or you can learn yourself through all the various free resources out there in the world. So there you go. That's today's video. Hope you like. Please do hit the subscribe button, press the bell button. Daily life of a Forex trader. It's not what you freaking think it is. Trust me. Do your checks. Validate, verify, all that kind of stuff. Trust me, if you're going to give $500 to someone for signals, it's got to be worth it.